guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Selma if you're new here. Today I'm going to share 3 healthy, high protein and high fiber breakfast recipes. A lot of people focus on getting enough protein, but only few people get enough fiber every day. Fiber is really important for our gut health because it supports healthy gut microbiome and it's essential for digestion. We should get around 30 grams of fiber every day. If you don't know where to start, the foods highest in fiber are chia seeds, flax seeds, peas, black beans, lentils, chickpeas, raspberries, avocados, oats, and almonds. The first recipe we're gonna make today is blueberry pancakes that are packed with fiber and protein but contain no protein powder. I'm making 2 servings, so first we're gonna add 4 eggs into a bowl. And 1 cup of high protein Greek yogurt. And 2 teaspoons of maple syrup. And then we mix the wet ingredients together. Then we need 2/3 cup of oat flour and 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of ground cardamom. It's a perfect combo with the blueberries. It kind of gives it a blueberry pie flavor. Lastly, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of psyllium husk powder. This contains 4 grams of fiber per teaspoon. It's often used in gluten-free baking to act as a binder, but if you don't have it, you can just leave it out. If you don't have psyllium husk but you wanted to add extra fiber to the pancakes, you could add a couple of tablespoons of ground flax seeds, for example. And now we just stir to combine. And lastly, we need 1 cup of blueberries. I'm using frozen wild blueberries. We cook the pancakes on a non-stick pan for a few minutes on each side. Here are the ready pancakes. I like to top them with vanilla yogurt, blueberries, and I'm also going to add a little bit of maple syrup on top. These balanced pancakes are so yummy and they also keep you full longer. Next, we're gonna make breakfast burritos. We're gonna start by chopping a bell pepper. Next, we're gonna crack 4 eggs into a bowl. For extra protein, we're gonna add cottage cheese, about half a cup. We're gonna season it with salt and pepper and chili flakes. Next, we're gonna heat a small drizzle of olive oil on a pan, and then we'll add the bell pepper. And spinach, and we let them cook for a few minutes. Next, we're gonna add the egg mixture. and stir. We let it cook until it's soft scrambled. Next, we add some black beans and shredded cheese. And we let it cook until the cheese melts. Then we need high fiber tortillas. We're gonna top them with the egg mixture. Top them with avocado. Then you can add some hot sauce on top if you like. You could also add low-fat sour cream as a dressing. We don't have any, so I'm skipping it this time. I'm gonna add some chopped chives on top. Here's the ready breakfast burrito. This is really filling and delicious. The last recipe we're going to prep is blended raspberry overnight oats with a chocolate magic shell. These are great for meal prepping and super easy to make. We're just gonna add all the ingredients into the blender. For 2 servings, we need 1 cup of oats, 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, 1 cup of raspberries. These overnight oats are packed with fiber because oats, chia seeds, and raspberries are all great sources of fiber. For protein, we're gonna add 1 cup of high protein Greek yogurt. The yogurt I'm using contains 13 grams of protein per 100 grams. Then we need some milk and maple syrup. And lastly, vanilla extract. And then we just blend until smooth. Then we pour the mixture into glasses or jars. And we're gonna let these set in the fridge for at least 2 hours or overnight. To create the magic shell, we're gonna add some melted 80% dark chocolate on top. I also like to add some chopped nuts on top and raspberries. Now we're gonna let these sit in the fridge for about 5 minutes or until the chocolate is set. These overnight oats are so creamy and yummy. I love the combination of raspberries and chocolate. If you're just starting to add more fiber into your diet, remember to start slowly and drink lots of water. I'll add the written recipes to the description box. If you're looking for more healthy and fun recipes, check out my recipe ebooks, which have 265 healthy and easy recipes. There are breakfast, lunch, snack, dinner, and healthier dessert recipes in my ebooks. I'll add the link down below. Let me know in the comments if you want to see more high fiber recipes. See you guys next week. Bye!